Auntie, I want to wash the plate first.
Come on, Joey, you can do that later. Sit down, your food is getting cold.
Auntie, I'm almost done. I'll join you soon.
Okay, then. She's very hardworking, you know.
It runs in the blood.
Everything good runs in the family blood.
Yeah. Didn't you hear your uncle Dad came to pay for your bride price?
What did he say?
He said I came from a family of hardworking people. He even wanted you to follow me without paying the bride price.
Lie.
I'm lying. Maureen, you're feeding me fast.
Yes, I am, and I will. You're my husband.
I don't want to go further than this.
You're right. I was complaining. I miss my handsome husband.
But, baby, you didn't call me last night. Why?
So you want to tell me that in the whole of Enugu you couldn't get anywhere to recharge your phone?
Baby, you're working too hard. You should get something to eat. Yeah.
Okay. No, everyone is fine. Chuma is fine. Yeah. Hello? Hello?
Sweetheart, how can you ask me such question? Of course, you know I miss you more than she does.
Yeah, she's upstairs.
Yeah, she's alright. I love you too. And I miss you so much. So much. Oh, go away. Okay. Did you get that? I just did it now. Oh. I'm darling. Yes, sweetie, I can't wait to have you back. Oh, yeah. Okay. I love you. I love you, baby. I love you too. Bye.
Mama, please, let me quickly use your phone. Briefly, I ran out of credit.
Is everything alright?
Everything is fine. Thank you.
Honey, I'm home! Honey? Honey? How are you?
Welcome.
Honey? What is the matter?
I'm alright.
I missed you.
I know what you missed.
I missed nothing else but you.
Really?
Yeah, for real.
Okay.
Honey? Are you alright?
I'm fine. I thought as much.
Sweetheart. What is the matter?
I want to be left alone.
Are you trying to tell me you didn't miss me?
It's not about whether I missed you or not.
Then what is this all about?
We'll talk about it tomorrow.
Boy, you think you're wise, pulling the wool over people's eyes. But one day your luck will change, and you will realize.
You didn't tell me while I was away.
Anything like what?
My wife, she's behaving so strange.
Do you think she's in under me?
That is not what I'm saying. Did you quarrel with her?
She's your wife. I guess you should sit down to know what the problem is. Okay? Maybe she wants something. Never can tell. Now come on, I miss you, come on, baby.
I told you, you have to be careful here. This is my house.
Even when you travel and come back. Please, come on.
Your food is ready.
Boy, you think you're wise, pulling the wool over people's eyes. But one day your luck will change, and you will realize that love is a dangerous game. Playing love games, playing with fire, playing love games, selfish desire, playing games with someone's heart, 'cause you think you're smart, playing with fire, and you're gonna get burnt. Playing love games,
Honey, what is the problem?
I don't have any problem.
You have not been yourself since I came back from you.
It is you who have not been himself.
Honey, if I have done anything, tell me, let me apologize. You're really hurting me with this your attitude.
Apologize? Go ahead. Apologize.
Maybe I should just go back to Enugu. That will give you enough time to be alone.
Honey, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. You know, it's my regular mood swing. I've been battling with it. I'm sorry, baby. I promise I'm fine.
Are you sure?
I'm fine.
Almost broke me down.
I know. I'm sorry. I'm fine. Babe, tomorrow is your birthday.
How can I forget something like that?
And I have a surprise for you.
Really?
Yes, I do.
Wow, I can't wait.
I know you can't wait.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hip hip hip, hooray! Hip hip hip, hooray! Okay, cut the cake, cut the cake. We'll just call your name,
Okay.
and then last name we cut the cake.
Okay.
Say
D A V E. Happy birthday! Okay, some drinks. There you go.
Wow.
there you go. Thank you.
Thank you, brother.
Yes, one for you. Cheers. 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 Let's take a picture together. Okay. You take us first.
Okay.
Yeah, let's take a picture.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Auntie, you're not smiling. Beautiful.
Take this one.
Okay, come. Let me take you two together. Where's your phone? Let me use your phone.
Okay.
Yeah, now your turn.
Okay.
Okay, you guys should smile. Now I'm going to try and smile. I'll try and take with both phones. Yeah, what a nice picture.
Honey, excuse me.
So you two think you can fool me right under my nose, right?
What are you talking about?
You're sleeping with her.
How can you say a thing like that? What's the meaning of this?
Ah, Dave. You don't even have any remorse.
Honey, stop. Choma is just my blood. That is just a pet name.
Yes.
Shut up. Did you say a pet's name? Sweetheart.
Honey,
How come I haven't heard you call her that pet's name?
honey, Chioma here is just my blood.
That makes it even more disgusting, Dave. Have you no shame? Shut up your mouth or I'll shut it up for you.
Honey, it's not what you think.
Dave. Dave.
It's not what you think.
Pulling the wool over people's eyes. But one day your luck will change.
What are we going to do? I'm worried. Wow. Hey.
Love is a dangerous game. Playing love games.
How did you let this happen?
Playing love games. Selfish desire. Playing games with someone's heart. 'Cause you think.
She has to leave. She has to leave this house.
Says who?
She has to leave this house if this marriage is going to work.
You now tell me what to do in my house?
This is our house. She has got to leave.
She's not going anywhere. With my lips. She's not going anywhere.
Then I'll do it my way.
Don't do anything stupid. Don't even try it.
If she doesn't leave this house, I would leave.
If I hear anything stupid when I return, I won't take it lightly with you.
David, why are you acting like nothing happened? Not even a sign of remorse.
You owe me an apology. And until you realize that, there'll be no peace in this house.
I owe you an apology. I owe you an apology, David. Is that how smart you can be?
You accused me wrongly, and that is terrible. Excuse me.
What the hell are you doing?
No, now.
They're coming back. I got it.
Honey, you're not dressed.
Dressed to wear.
We have an appointment at the doctor's.
As you can see, I'm enjoying this program.
Let's go driving. Where you learn how to drive, man?
Please, please. I want to go and see doctor. Oh, wait a minute. You want to take me to him so that he will start insulting me from where he stopped.
I got you to shoot somebody. Lean back. Don't you shoot across my face like that.
Come on, this is for our own good. We should see the doctor.
Are you signaling?
I don't want to have anything to do with any
I'm
doctor.
sorry. It's a habit.
I don't want to hear your story of how what you might semen is. Please.
Hey! Pulling the wool over people's eyes.
Where do you think we're going with that car?
David, please, don't start. I'm already late.
Let me have the car keys. Let me have the car keys!
Baby, I can't wait to have you to myself. I'm tired of this hide and seek game.
The doctor wants to see you.
Your boyfriend.
Baby! Who are you? Sweetheart, I was passing. I saw you driving into this place. I didn't know you were living here.
Do I know you?
Baby, you're talking to Josh, your boyfriend.
Please, I have never met you in my entire life. What is the meaning of this?
What's going on? Is he your boyfriend?
David, what's the meaning of this?
I should be asking you who the hell is this?
I don't know you. What are you doing here?
Baby, are you pretending or what? This is Josh. It's me, Josh. Are you having anything to do with that?
David, I don't understand what is going on here. I don't know you. I have never met you in my entire life. So, how did it go?
You nailed it.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Pulling the wool over people's eyes. But one day your luck will change, and you will realize that love is a dangerous game. Playing love games, playing with fire, playing love games, selfish desire, playing games with someone's heart.
David. We need to talk.
There's nothing to talk about.
David, I have forgiven you long ago. But you didn't have to defend yourself by playing that stunt out there.
You still have the guts to say rubbish. Wait a minute. Did you just say that rubbish? Is it because I didn't throw you out?
David, you and I know that all this was planned by you.
Shut up! You have just 3 days to tell me who that man is. Or else, you see yourself to your father's house.
3 days? I don't know who he is. I have never met that man in my entire life. I have never seen him before.
I have been married to you for how long now? Why hasn't anyone showed up? Why now? Why now? Why is all this happening now? I don't know him and you know it.
Rubbish.
Boy, you think you're wise,
you didn't eat your food. You didn't eat your food. Why?
I'm not hungry.
You're not hungry.
Please, please, don't start. Just stop, don't start.
Oh, I see. Okay.
What's the meaning of this?
What is the meaning of
What's the meaning of this?
What's the meaning of what? She's leaving this house right, so there's no way I'm going to sit back and let her ruin my home.
Are you out of your mind?
Out of my mind.
Now, come on, take this back, take it inside now. Take it inside. I said, get over, take it inside now. Get up, get up. Oh yeah, take it inside.
You hit me.
Take it inside. Now, take it inside. Come here, come and take this back. Come here, come here.
Welcome. David, I should be the one behaving this way. I'm the one offended here.
And I am the one who has been accused of infidelity.
David, just say you are sorry.
And everything will be fine.
I don't have to apologize for something I am not guilty of.
David, did you say you were not guilty? Did you say you were not guilty? You were lying. You were nothing but a liar.
Stop it! Stop it this minute! I won't take it if you keep raising your voice at me like that. Excuse me.
David, is this who you really are? Is this your true color?
That question should be directed to you. I never knew you didn't trust me all this while. I believe you have something to do with that guy, that idiot. Until you tell me what that is and who he is, there will be no peace in this house. Excuse me. Chairman! Why is there no food here?
I was cooking when your wife asked me out of the kitchen.
What? Why is there no food in this house?
There is no food.
Meaning there's no food!
Hey, David! David, you want to hit me? No! Go ahead and hit me! Hit me! You useless, unfaithful man! Go ahead and hit me!
Dave! What have you done?
Let's take her to the hospital.
Leave her, she'll be fine.
Are you sure? She's been like this for an hour now.
She'll be alright.
I'm scared. Let's do something.
She's only unconscious.
Yes, she could die. I'm scared. I'm scared.
You don't have to be scared. Come on, come here. Come here. Come on. Who's there? That's the more Mama? How did you get there this early? Choma.
Good afternoon, Mama.
Mama, welcome.
Where is your wife? David!
Mama?
Where is Sylvia?
Mama. Mama. Let me go back.
David!
Mama?
Is this how she dresses?
Mama, that is just a nightmare.
By the way, is this not Chioma, the daughter of Uwakwe? What is she doing here?
Mama, she only helps us in the house.
Help in the house? As what? House help? No digging.
Mama, you need to rest.
Where is Sylvia? What's the meaning of all this?
I think she went to...
Mama, will you take tea or custard?
Manya, I'm not hungry. Go and call Sylvia for me.
Huh? See? Okay.
David.
Mama?
Where is your wife?
Mama, she went... Mama, excuse me.
Boy, you think you're wise, pulling the wool over people's eyes. But one day your luck will change, and you will realize that love is a dangerous game. Playing love games, playing with fire, playing love.
Hey!
Selfish desire, playing games with someone's heart, 'cause you think you're smart.
She in the room?
No, she's not in the room. Where could she be?
Maybe I should call the police.
What? Police? No! You won't do that. You will complicate the whole thing.
I would have taken her to the hospital.
Maybe she left when we are asleep. What do we do now?
I don't know what to tell Mama. What do I tell Mama?
Tell her she went to church.
Church?
Yes, church.
This early?
Yes. Anybody can go to church anytime. She can go to church anytime.
I don't know. What have I done? What have I done?
Calm down. Calm down. She could hear you. Calm down. Okay? Hey, why is Mama here this early? Did she call you she was coming?
No.
No. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
What?
It's possible she called Mama. Yes, she called Mama and she's hiding somewhere in this house. I'm sure of that.
I'm so confused right now. I don't know what to think.
Okay, you're shouting. Mama is here. Shh. You know what? Tell her anything. Look for something. Just tell her anything, okay? Calm down. Take it easy. Let me go before she comes. Calm down.
Mama, I think she went to the church.
To the church?
Yes, Mama.
David,
Mama.
you look nervous. Is everything alright?
Mama, everything, I'm fine. I'm just fine. Everything is fine, Ma.
I did not ask if you're fine or not. I said, is everything alright? What is going on?
Mama, nothing is going on. Everything is fine.
Boy, you think you're wise, pulling the wool over people's eyes. But one day your luck will change, and you will realize that love is a dangerous game. Playing love games, playing with fire, playing love games, selfish desire, playing games with someone's heart, 'cause you think you're smart, playing with fire, and you're gonna get burnt.
Something is definitely wrong somewhere. But whatever it is, God must surely reveal it to me.
Playing games with someone's heart, 'cause you think.
Here's the water.
Keep it there. Shoma, come back here. You don't dress like this in this house. Eh? This is not decent at all. Is it ever baloto? Who believe I fike? Eh? Who believe I even one says so? This thing is not meant for everybody to see it.
Okay, Mama, I've heard. I won't dress like this again.
Hey, what? David, where is your wife? I thought you said she went to church, and up till now she's not yet back. Her phone is even switched off. Eh?
Mama, to tell you the truth, to be honest with you, I don't know where she is.
David, you don't know where your wife is? You are joking. Let me tell you, if anything happens to that girl, I will not take it lightly with you.
Mama, nothing will happen to her. She will be fine. In fact, I've already reported to the police.
What? Police? David, the police! Hello? Hello? Oh, Sylvia! Sylvia, where are you? Hospital? Which hospital? Okay, I'll be there now. Hey, okay, what happened? Hey, okay, what happened?
Mama, I don't deserve this. I don't.
I know. Talk to me. What really happened? Ogini.
Mama, David wants to kill me.
What? Did David beat you? Why? Makaginisi?
Mama, just because I told him he was having an affair with Choma.
Yokuna. Let it not be what I'm thinking.
Mama, there's evidence. There is.
It's okay.
Mama, I don't deserve this. What have I done? What have I done? I've only loved him.
What did I become? I will start crying now. It's okay. It's okay.
Mama, how can you believe that I'm sleeping with Choma?
What are you trying to say? That I'm blind? Or maybe I'm stupid? Did I not see both of you? Or did I not see both of you?
Mama, David has changed. He'll keep denying it.
Mama, ask her. Ask her. Has she ever caught me with this Choma?
I don't need to ask anybody anything. I saw both of you myself. So what are you saying? I mean, how can a married man sleep on the same cushion with a girl that he is not married to? The girl that was almost naked.
Mama, do you know he even said that she's related to you?
Asiocha, she is not in any way related to us.
Mama, is Choma not from the same?
Shut up your mouth. Because she's the same village with us, that makes her a relative. Or even a Chikowam. This is carelessness. That girl must leave your house. All that happened, I beg.
Mama, nothing is going on between Choma and I. Don't you trust me?
Not anymore. I used to trust you, but not anymore. She will leave your house. She's the only wife you have that I know. Let me ask you, why did you even beat your wife?
Mama, she insulted me. Mama, do you know that one guy came looking for her in the house?
Mama, it's a big lie. It's a lie. David planned it out himself.
Yes. David, I am disappointed. Sometimes you behave as if I'm not the one that raised you. Hi. Oh yeah. Apologize to your wife. Apologize to her.
Apologizing means that I'm guilty.
Are you not guilty? No, I'm asking you. You are! So apologize to her.
Mama, I will apologize when I offend her.
One more. David! David! Oh yeah, apologize to your wife.
Sorry.
Son, do it properly. Omenimi, fine. Do many of man, see of man is sorry. Say you're sorry very well. Do it properly.
I'm sorry.
Mama, David has changed. That girl has bewitched him.
It's okay. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine.
Selfish desire, playing games with someone's heart, 'cause you think you're smart.
Oh yeah, go and pack your things and leave this house now.
Mama, have I done anything wrong?
Hey, you're still standing there asking me questions whether you've done anything wrong. If you must know, let me tell you. I don't want my son's marriage to break. Enolia? So go and pack your things and leave.
Oh, Mama. Did they say I want to break their marriage?
Did they say I want to break their marriage? You're still asking me, did they say? Let me tell you, they've been living in peace until you came. So leave! Pack your things and go.
Mama, I swear, I've been very hardworking since I came in here. I don't want to break their marriage.
Oh, I know you're a gigolo. If I know me water, if you are going to you're sleeping with David, aren't you?
No, Mama, I swear. I don't have anything to do with David. He's just fond of me.
He's just fond of you. That's why you are sleeping on the same cushion with him. Is David your husband? Or Diggy?
No, I don't have anything to do with him. I swear.
You're just trying my patience. I just close my eyes. At the count of 3, go in there, pack all your things and leave. 1! 1! No more. One mommy water. One bread. Okay.
You are not going anywhere. This is my house, and I say what happens here.
David, I'm worried.
You don't have to be worried about anything. I am strongly behind you, okay? I am strongly behind you. Don't worry about anything, okay? Okay?
What are you still doing? What are you doing? Did I not tell you to leave my son's house? What is wrong with you?
Mama. David. He said I should stay. That I should stay till next week.
David asked you to stay. And that's why you're staying here. Are you out of your mind? Did I not tell you to go? Do you want me to push you? Ihilala before. Ihilala.
Mama, please. Let us stay till tomorrow. Please, Mama.
Why?
Mama, I don't have anyone to give to her now.
I will give you money.
Mama, that is not the main point. The thing is that I promised her some money. And for her school fees especially. Moreover, it's late for her to go back to work by this time. See the time now.
David,
Mama.
I know what you want. But that's why. You see this girl? She must go tomorrow. I hope you heard me. You must go tomorrow. Onyemne. What are we going to do? Just relax. Relax.
But one day your luck will change.
You see that fridge outside? Don't drink water from it.
Why, ma?
I will tell you why tomorrow.
Okay, Mom. Is that all?
For now, that's all.
Thank you.
Boy, you think you're wise, pulling the wool over people's eyes. But one day your luck will change, and you will realize that love is a dangerous game. Playing love games, playing with fire, playing love games, selfish desire, playing games with someone's heart, 'cause you think you're smart, playing with fire, and you're gonna get burnt.
Mama, you see what I was telling you? Hey, don't worry, it's okay. They will not escape this time.
David! Hey! David! This is very shameful. Hello! Hello, David! So this is true? How?
Now we know who's saying the truth.
David, how? You disappointed me. David, you are a disappointment. This is very shameful. And you, Shoma, I want you to leave my son's house this minute. And when I get back to the village, you will face your punishment. Face to face. And then David! Yeah. Hey! Hey! David! Hey! If you don't know. Yeah, nobody can be better. Enough yazu, we even want Chenya. David! Nya bibe, you want to come watch Chenya? O when I do it, prem. Ngwan. All right.
What's up now? Why did you wake me up?
Hey, don't blame me.
Boy, you think you're wise, pulling the wool over people's eyes. But one day your luck will change, and you will realize that love is a dangerous game. Love games.
I hope you understand the implication of what you've done. And I'm assuring you that when I get to the village, everybody must hear it. And you'll be punished properly.
Mama, please, no. Mama, please, I'm your daughter. Mama, please. Mama, please.
No.
Mama, please, I'm your daughter.
I'll push you up.
In love games, selfish desire, playing games with someone's heart. Because you think you're smart, playing with fire, and you're gonna get burnt.
Don't touch me! Please, don't touch me. Please, don't do this. Please,
Don't touch me.
Please, don't do this.
Leave me. I am leaving you. I am going back to my father's house.
Please, it won't happen again. It's a promise.
I don't care. You can tell that to the gods.
Stephen, wait. Please. I understand your pain. But to err is human, and to forgive is divine. Now that the distraction has been taken away, I want you to calm down, please. Calm down and concentrate. And join hands with your husband and rebuild your marriage back. If not for any other thing, at least for the sake of that result, the lab test, that is enough to make you forgive him.
Oh, are you pregnant? Mommy, is she pregnant?
Hey! How can you give my hand?
You're pregnant! She's pregnant.
Boy,